Hey everybody, today I just want to show you with my HTML code and displaying on the web page with the day number 4. The first time I will explain you why our page show like this and what code it is that gonna have our page to show like this. The first time I will explain you the code of the HTML that gonna show you. The head is mean the head of of the web page, and put title will show you with the title of the page here, like this HTML day number 4, and you see HTML day number 4. This is show you what this code gonna working. And I will close head back when this is open and this is closed. This is open, this is closed. But some code is not like this, just only have one but has exclamation like this, but this code is don't have. So we just put back like this first. And after that, the body is mean the body in the whole page here, gonna show in the body. And UL is gonna show you with the dot list here, the dot list like this. And this is L. When I open UL, I close UL back, so I don't forget in this time. We're gonna maybe error our code and it's gonna display. And li it show you is with it's get from the list, and the list got show you home, about us, contact us here. So like this, home, about us, contact us. This is list. This one also open and close, open and close, open and close. And this is we close you from the top, from above. And this is H number 3. H number 3 is one kind of code that of HTML that show you the title here with the middle of 6 8. 8 is mean the heading. So we have A1 is heading 1, A2 heading 2, A3 heading 3, A4 heading 4, A5 heading 5, A6 heading 6. So the A6 is so small title, and this is the A3, it's middle. Yes, the A1 is very big, and one more is OL. OL is mean the list of the number. I'm gonna show like this, and I will close it back and I put the list like the same before. Home, about us, contact us. Here, home, about us, contact us. But this just want to show you what is different from two of these. The one show you with the dot UL, and the OL show you with the number. Okay, image SRC, it's gonna have you, this code is gonna have you to take a picture, to get a picture from something, from somewhere. They see I take picture from the Google, and I go to right click on, take like this, and I go to copy link, and I pass here, and I open here, and I pass here, and I close it back, and I put width gonna have you to show the side of the picture, the frame side of the picture. Here width talking about this and height talking about this. So I put width 350, this the frame size, and height 200 the frame size. So I close image back and gonna show you like this picture, side of this picture also. H1 that I told you before, H1 is the heading 1. Heading 1 is bigger than heading 3 before. Before have heading 3, this is heading 1. Heading 1 is bigger than, and here, you see heading 1. So you like this. And the table width and border. Table is gonna show you what's the table here like this. And the width 100%, it shows you the full page of table. And to the width, full page of table like this, to 100. You can put 1500. Sorry, you can put 50%. You can put 100%. Up to you, what you want. But the border size just show you what you want also. The border express you here. Just show you here. And when you put number 1 is small like this, you put number 3 bigger, number 2 bigger than this, you put number 3 bigger than this. Yeah. If you put 0, don't have frame like this, just have the first name like this, but don't have frame. Okay. TR is mean talking about the talking about the frame, talking about the frame of like to roll. And T8 is mean talking about the data inside of the heading. Talking about inside the heading, like first name here, the top of the heading, the top of the table frame here, and this A, T8, and this is TR, we close back here. So we got the top of here, and when you put one more, you put data here. I'm gonna show you one more here. You put TR one more. TR one more express you about the here. TR, and you put TD. TD is talking about the data inside here. Here, TD, one cell here, one cell here, one cell here, one cell here. So put all TD, put all TR, and close it back. And close table, close body, and close HTML. So this is all that I got for day number 4, and thank you everybody for my lesson. Please tell me if I explain you not clear. You can comment down. I will improve my word and my language, because my English is not so good. And don't forget to subscribe below, and you got the day number 5, the day number 6. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you.